Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, restaurant menu size Photoshop in pixels. Now see this letter size 816 into 1015.8, and now see this legal size tablet half page letter before default in C pixels. Example, go to file, create a new and type file name. I type first on, then you select pixels, click OK. Now we can see this create menu size, restaurant menu card size. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.